Lesson 6. Phonic sound of E. Read aloud. Bed, jet, hen, egg, net. Reading skill. ED, ed, bed, lead, red, dead, fed, wed, shed. EG, egg, egg, leg, meg, peg, bag, keg, veg. En, n, ten, den, pen, men, yen, hen, fen. Et, let, met, set, get, bet, pet, net. Read. A peg is on a bed. He has a red pen. Two men are near a jet. She has an egg.